All right, money makers, we are back for a new day. I don't know if you ever heard of Leisure, but it's another AI platform where it's like an AI interview, and they kind of like give you questions from an AI perspective, and you can test it, and you can make $150 per hour of research of testing different apps and stuff like that, or different opinions that they have. Um, and you can click to apply right now, and it is going to take you. Once you click the I agree, you can either continue with Handshake or Google. Um, you can click here um, and put in your email address, and then you can authorize it to do that. Click accept, and then it's going to walk you through some information. It's going to require a resume because with these different AI studies, they want to know if you have like a associate's degree or a bachelor's degree. Um, I am not going to um, put any information in. That's kind of confidential, but just know it's going to ask you for resume, and it's going to ask you for your name and all that good stuff. And once you go forward, it's gonna kind of like set up an AI interview with you to ask you different questions about different, features that they might be testing, or different apps, or different, research study projects, and you can get paid $150 per hour per research study. So if you had like three, let's say you had three different studies, that's about $300 in a month. According if you do get paid $150 per hour. But it could be less than that. But the ballpark is you want to get at least $150 per hour. That's pretty good money, and that's more than you will make on your job in a day. Because obviously jobs are only paying like $20 to $28, but on average it could be like maybe $15 to $20 an hour. So you're not going to get that much as much as you would get if you was talking to them. And just so you know, the AI interviews are conducted in AI format. So if you do not like an AI talking to you, then this is not a good opportunity for you. But let me know if this is something that you want to continue to do. If you like me presenting you AI interview um, studies that you can give your opinion about talking to an AI bot. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys. And the rest of those, sign up process is pretty straightforward. So just follow what I did and continue to put in your resume and your profile and set that up. But other than that, and you will be receiving an invite from them if you got to the last process of it. But if they don't like your resume and they don't think you're a good fit, you may not get selected to go to the next round of interviews. So, Allegier is the name, and have a great day, Money Makers. Bye now.